Mike.
Mike की आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
So congratulations to Bangalore actually, and thank you so much sir for giving this fabulous opportunity to Bangalore. I think this is Bombay. Or either we have to shift to Bangalore sir. So congratulations for that. It's a beautiful evening, and I heard about this place. That it's got the best of facilities, and I think it's the biggest gym in Bangalore, right?
Biggest gym of UFC in India.
Wow! So it's the biggest gym of UFC in India. Thank you. Yeah. So it's a pleasure, it's an honor that I'm here today to celebrate this building. Congratulations to all of you. To all the media people, and don't just click pictures, you have to work out also after this. So we made all these treadmills ready. You have to run for 10 minutes each and every one of you, right? All set, sir? ये भाई साहब घूर के देख रहे हैं मेरे को यार. ठीक है, all set. So looking forward to this beautiful evening. और क्योंकि रश बहुत है, it's a new place. ग्लासेस हैं, डोर्स हैं, बड़े सेंसिटिव रहते हैं, तो कोई चीज़ अपने को तोड़नी नहीं है यहाँ पे, तो इसलिए प्लीज विल ऑल कामली गो एंड सी द फैसिलिटी वंस इट्स डन एंड वील एंजॉय. जिसको वर्कआउट करना है वर्कआउट कर लेगा, जिसको वर्कआउट करते हुए देखना है वो करते हुए देख लीजिए. बट इट्स अ बिग डे फॉर सर. मैं जब बात और जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू पाजी इज फ्रॉम माय होम टाउन मोगा इन पंजाब. The same hometown, and when I first spoke to him, all I could see was the passion for everything that he does. When he's one of the best gyms to my city, my people. And today when I enter this place, I think it's one of the most beautiful places that I've seen. And yeah, this is the beginning, and let's speak about it.
ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆದಂಥ ಮಾತಾಡಿಸೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಇದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಚಿತ್ರ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. 30,000 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನಾನು. ಆಯ್ತು, 2,000 ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಏನು ಖುಷಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಥರ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ವಿಷನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಜಿಮ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಐ ಸೊ ಸರ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏಜ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 45 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್. ಜಯ ಜಯ.
हम जो भी काम करना है तो हम इस लाइन पे लेकिन ये जिम को जब हमने देखा देन मैं सेड कि इसको सबसे बढ़िया जिम बनाना तो लाइक टू मैंने बोला कि सबसे इंटीग्रेट कर तो ये आपके लिए है. तो मेरी तो ये आपसे स्पष्ट रहेगी, आइए हेल्प बनाइए, मेरे को भी मोटिवेट करिए, मैं भी हेल्प करता हूँ. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
my husband as well. Because I still remember 9 years back I told him that I want this gym. But when I asked the Century people, they said not possible. And then he said, not the gym, I'll buy a whole building for you. So this is how today we are here. I'm so proud of my husband for and the main purpose here is I want all the females to be fit in today's world. That's why we have created UFC, a safe place for all the ladies who can come here and work out and be happy. Thank you so much.
The trainers who will get the
Yes,
I
yes.
can create the
So all of us we have to work as a family to make this happen. So once again, thank you everyone for being here.
He's one of the fitness enthusiasts of Bangalore. Yes, please.
Hi guys, and first of all, 3 cheers to Sonu Singh sir and Kumar sir. So, hip hip! So yeah, my name is Ashur and I'm Mr. India, Mr. Karnataka, and I do meet people. Yeah, and I tend to motivate people through the fitness journey, whatever they've gone through, and whoever's being bullied or whoever's not gonna transform themselves, and they need to keep motivated. And the journey from here till now, it's been so tough. Being Mr. India, being Mr. Karnataka, I'm a natural athlete. So I'm a complete natural athlete, and the titles, what I've been through and what I've got until now, so I would dedicate it to my parents and my family as well. And in this journey, Mom's gym, so where I used to work out before, it was called the Fit Nation. Now it's turned out to be the Flex Nation. Who's the owner of Flex Nation? Satish right now. So yeah, I run my own fitness company. That's called NFS. It's known as Need for Strength. And here, my purpose to be in this journey and being right here on the stage, it was my dream. It was my actual dream. And since I've been seeing Sonu Sood sir, throughout my career, sir, it's been an honor to really meet you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me here. And Dhruva sir, I've been seeing you as well. You've been an inspiration to others. Thank you. Thank you. And also, I would congratulate ma'am and sir for having this gym around, and also me being a youth icon of this country. I would suggest everyone, I see a lot of people, going through a lot of stuff, like सभी लोग बहुत चीजों में घुस जाते हैं, drugs, ये वो वगैरह, and nowadays people have no patience. I feel people have no patience regarding all of the hard work what you have. You cannot achieve wonders in 1 or 2 weeks or 1 or 2 months. You need to push yourself and push your limits. So yeah, that is it. And the other time लेना नहीं चाहूँगा. Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much. Praveen, a few words from you. Another fitness enthusiast.
It's a great honor sharing the stage with Sonu Sood sir and Dhruva sir. And very privileged to be sharing the stage. I've been watching Sonu sir films from my young age. He's been a huge fitness motivation for all of us, and Dhruva sir also. He's been a huge motivation for all of us in Karnataka here. Thank you so much. All the best, guys. Thank you.